Hey there, Alisha here. I am back for part 2 of why you should travel with your satin scarf. So, I do carry my scarf on my purse here, and for several reasons while I'm traveling. But this one reason is to take it off and to use while I'm sleeping in the hotel room. And because you don't want to be sleeping on these cotton pillowcases, they're rough, they dry out your skin, they dry out your hair, they give you wrinkles, fine lines, hair breakage, all that funky stuff. So you can take your scarf off of your bag and take it and put it around your pillow. So I like to cover my pillow and then take the four corners and then tie them in a knot on the pillow. So it's very quick and simple. You tie it, and then now you have a pillow slip for your pillow. So stay tuned for part 3 and see what my next little travel tip is for your satin scarf.